What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you can clearly see, I am lying underneath a car right now. If you guessed right, it is the drift car.
Nothing like some pre-drift day prep.
Yeah, exactly. We're back with Sean. Look at this guy. We got Shane over here. You guys have seen him in previous videos. We just replaced the oil pan gasket. So I don't know if you guys remember, but last time that we went out to Shannonville, the oil pump nut backed off. Put Loctite on the pump nut, but we didn't have a gasket to replace it with. We RTV'd the absolute out of this engine and made it work and sent it for that event. And then we also sent it for
CDS.
CDS round 2. We're just doing the maintenance that we should have done a long time ago. Buttoned up now. We're just torquing everything down. See you guys tomorrow when we toss oil in it, check for leaks, and load it up to head to Shannonville. Peace. Say bye, Sean.
See you later.
I've been doing a terrible job of vlogging since we did the oil pan at the shop there the other day. Set up camp last night and camped here and all that jazz. And filling up all the tires so that we can head out onto the track, catch you guys out on the track and let you know how the day goes. Peace. I did absolutely no vlogging. I got a lot of clips. I got a lot of reaction clips, which I will plug in here.
Let me just turn on the
you guys enjoyed those reaction clips. We also ran our first few like real tandems. I got quite close quite a few times. And
Ended on a lovely kiss too.
ended on, oh yeah, yeah. Ended on a real lovely kiss. I'll plug everything right here, and at the end of that you'll see our little love tap. So I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. These boys are really consistent. Harry and James? Yeah. Oh, they're great guys, man. They run a 350Z. They both share it, and then his dad runs an FRS right here. And this is the car here. What's going on, boys? This is James, and this is Harry over here, right? I got that right?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. So I topped this guy while he was driving. I was just coming to show them the car, to be honest. I was gonna say, is there any?
It's just the fender you pulled off there.
The fender?
You see how it's lifted up?
Oh, okay, yeah.
That shit. Should go right back.
I think it tilted the light down a little bit.
No, it's
No,
nothing.
the light was already fucked.
Yeah, so we ended up having a little love tap. We will catch you guys at the next event. It's going to be CDS round 3. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Take it easy, guys. Peace. We ended up cracking our radiator and blowing one of our lollipops out of our control arm in that accident. So we got to fix that before round 3 at CDS. If any sponsors want to help us out, let me know, please. Please, please, please.